Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and launching voice control. Make sure your device is online and signed into the Google account you use daily. Enable voice match or voice access in settings so Google recognizes you. This improves accuracy and security. Grant microphone and accessibility permissions now. Without them, commands fail. Once done, say the wake phrase or tap the microphone icon to confirm recognition. Test with simple commands like, "Hey Google, what's the time?" to confirm audio and account linkage are working. Now you'll learn to issue effective commands and refine behavior so responses become reliable. Start with concise action verbs, call, open, send, navigate, to reduce misinterpretation. In assistant settings, switch languages or adjust microphone sensitivity to match accents and environments because that directly affects recognition rates. Create routines for multi-step tasks and add custom voice shortcuts to save time. These map a phrase to several actions. Once configured, practice mixed commands like, "Hey Google, drive." Finish by locking in settings and verifying reliability. Update system and assistant app to access the latest improvements, and retrain voice match if accuracy drifts, because models improve with retraining. Make sure routines and shortcuts behave as intended by running them end-to-end. If something breaks, reboot the device and check microphone permissions. If problems persist, review Google activity for rejected commands. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle microphone permissions and retrain voice match. This often resolves recognition failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.